As the police continue its investigation in the murder of Melissa Silvera, on Friday, the 19th of January 2024, after a question and answer session at the Major Investigation Division office, about 12 midday, Jolyan Silvera, age 52 years old, land developer of 2A Diamond Court, Stony Hill, St. Andrew, was formally charged by the police, that is the Major Investigation Division, for the murder of his wife, Melissa Silvera. The investigation continues as we believe that there are other charges that will be laid against Mr. Silvera. I wish to express appreciation and thanks to every member of the investigative team, those at Major Investigation Division led by Superintendent Hilton. I think it was a very professional, very thorough and comprehensive investigation that was done. It also demonstrated that the JCF is progressing very well, and there is great integration of all the various departments within the force as we seek to create a safer Jamaica. I want to also express thanks to the public for whatever support they have given us. We believe that our stakeholders are very important to us achieving our objective as law enforcement officers and as a country. I also want to appeal to Jamaica that we collectively can make Jamaica a safer place if we all work together for the common good of this nation. Again, thanks to the team, and we'll continue to act professionally in all the matters that are brought before us.
Gentlemen, I know that there is not a great deal that you can say, but there are questions that are being asked. One of those questions relates to the use of science, or the ballistic science, or the forensic science, the use of technology, cyber forensics, and that kind of thing. How much can you share with us about that aspect of the investigation and whether or not it has helped to bring us to this point of a charge?
All right. I will answer the part regarding, as you know, the JCF continues to explore science as an important part of what we do. And in this investigation, all the sciences were applied, from cyber, ballistics, telecommunications. All of those sciences were applied. And I will hasten to say that this case was not one of the easiest ones for us. But because there is a level of competence within the organization, we have the skill sets, very bright individuals who are well trained at a first world standard. And this has resulted into us achieving what we have achieved. We have some excellent investigators. I mean, Mr. Hilton is leading a team of professional, highly skilled, highly trained, very committed, very enthusiastic and passionate about their job. And it is as a result of that why we are seeing the achievement that we have achieved. Mr. Hilton may be able to speak now to some of the things that are being said regarding the whole contamination of the scene. So, Mr. Hilton.
Yes, Commish. On getting the report at our division, we visited the scene and we observed some things that were not normal. As such, we employed the services of all our technical experts from ballistics, from the CFCD, and other technical persons, and it has proven to us that some of our suspicions were correct. We continue to work with them. We have not yet completed all the works, but we have had sufficient information to move forward with the case, and we continue to do that.
And I will say, in addition to what Mr. Hilton has spoken of, the story about the renovation of the home is factual.
It's factual.
Can you speak to the extent of the renovation?
The room has been completely tiled. I've seen where signs of paint job. We've seen signs where items of furniture have been changed.
In terms of when a body or when a person who is deemed to be dead is taken to a medical facility, the role of the doctor is basically to confirm if the person is dead. If the person is not dead, then automatically they will respond based on their own training. But the person who pronounces an individual dead is not even requested to attend court, because after that, it triggers other processes, for example, post-mortem. So essentially, that's it. So I heard the issue about how in relation to the instant case, why the doctor that pronounced the individual dead did not see that he suffered gunshot wound. That is not the role of the doctor, really. It's the post-mortem that will reveal that. So in the instant case, it was the police that requested the autopsy to be done. So I know that the issue of cover-up is a public discussion, but if the same police officer who went on the scene requested a post-mortem to be done, then in my own understanding and assessment of that, there is no inkling or inclination that there is a cover-up, because the post-mortem really is to reveal the cause of death, sudden death. There is a policy that guides the behavior of officers who attend a sudden death scene or any other incident of homicide. As the police continue its investigation in the